What's good, Up Next family? It's your boy Up Next. Malin, I'm coming back with another video. Hey man, look, before this video even starts, bro, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and also hit that like button, and don't forget to click the bell. Do that right now before the video even starts. Alright, so do all that before the video even starts, man. Let's get straight into the video. Let's get it. Let's go. What's good, Up Next family? It's your boy Up Next. Malin, I'm coming back with another video. Hey man, look, alright, so today I'm gonna be telling y'all what y'all need if you want dreads or if you have dreads. This is what you need. This is a mandatory. You can't go without this. I'm telling y'all this right now. It's gonna come to a point where you're gonna have to do things on your own. A salon is not gonna either be around, you can't afford it, or you just want to save a little money, or you just want to invest in yourself. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, my girl called. Hello? Anyways, like I was saying, this is what you need, because sooner or later you're gonna have to start doing things on your own. I'm not saying you're gonna have to start like styling stuff on your own, whatever, but most of the people that watch this video, most of the people subscribe to my channel with dreads, or if you have dreads or if you want dreads, you're gonna have to start doing this alone, and that is, y'all gonna need a hair dryer. Y'all gonna need a hair dryer, bro. Y'all gonna need a hair dryer, and this hair dryer costs like what, like $25, $26, $27, whatever. But I invested in me a hair dryer just because of the simple fact I couldn't wait to go to the salon to get my hair washed. And every time I did wash my hair, y'all would still see like dots in my hair. Yeah, that's the reason, because I didn't air dry properly. And I kept telling y'all in the video, if you don't air dry properly, you're gonna grow like mold in your hair. And it's nothing like, oh my god, he got mold in here, he'll never wash his hair. It's like, you didn't dry your hair properly. You know what I'm saying? So what you have to do is the air drying stuff, that's gonna work if you outside in the sun 2 to 3 hours. Who gonna be baking out in the sun 2 to 3 hours? I'm not gonna be baking out there in the sun. But anyways, yeah, I invested in me a hair dryer yesterday. You know what I'm saying? I bought it. I'm pretty sure y'all saw it in my last video. But yeah, man, I bought it for like 26, 27. Like I said, I don't even remember. I just spent the money. And the thing about this is, you don't have to no longer pay somebody $10 to $20, $30, however much it costs to get your hair washed or retwisted or whatever. You understand? However much it costs to get your hair washed, right? You don't have to pay that. It's like an annual pay. You know what I'm saying? It's coming around monthly or every 2 months, however often you get your hair washed. You don't have to do that anymore, bro. Just spend your save your $10 to $20 that month. Then the next month, pay for one of these. You understand? Y'all gotta actually start investing in yourself. I was just talking about this last video. If you watched last video, then you know what I was saying. Y'all gotta start investing in yourself. Y'all gotta start investing in y'all dreams. Or this ain't even necessarily about my dreams. This is actually in myself. You know what I'm saying? I made YouTube videos about the dreads. And I have dreads. You understand? So my hygiene has to stay up. So if you need your hygiene to stay up, stuff like that, then it comes with styling attachments. I'm pretty sure, but I don't use none of this, bro. I just use the regular blow dryer just because of the simple fact. I might actually use the diffuser. Y'all see that diffuser right there? Hey, I wonder if that works on dreads. I'm gonna actually make another video for y'all if that works on dreads. But yeah, this is the Conair Infinity Pro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, like I said, man, it's at Walmart, so y'all can get it. You feel me? If y'all want to request any other video, make sure that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, comment down below. Also follow all my social medias, and they will be in the link in the description. Catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.